So in this tutorial, we learn how to download and install the latest version of MySQL in Windows 11. So first open your default browser and search for MySQL. Click the official link mysql.com and later you'll be directed to the official website. Click downloads, scroll down and click MySQL community downloads. Click MySQL Installer for Windows. Scroll down and click on this download button. So it's written at 32-bit, but it will run in a 64-bit as well. So click the download button. So for now, you don't have to log in or sign up. So click no thanks, just start my download and wait for your file to get downloaded. So our file has been downloaded. Right click and click open so that we can begin the installation process. Minimize. So Windows is configuring the MySQL installer. Click yes for the app to make changes to your device. Click yes again. So first you have to choose a setup type. Click custom so that we can manually select the products that should be installed on the system and click next. So here you have to select the products. Click the MySQL servers. Click it again, and click the MySQL Server 8.0.42, and this is the latest version. Click it and drag it. Click Applications. Click the MySQL Workbench. Click it again. Click the MySQL Workbench 8.0.42 and drag it. Click the MySQL Shell. Click it again. Click the MySQL Shell 8.0.42 and drag it. And click next. So the products are ready to be installed. Click execute. So all our products have been installed successfully. Click next. So product configuration. Click next. So here we have type and networking. Leave all in default, including the port number, and click next. Here you have authentication method. Click next. You have to set a strong password, and you will require this password when you want to access your Workbench. So I'll type mine. Repeat the same password. And click next. Here you have Windows Service. Leave it in default and click next. Server file permission. You have to grant full access. So click yes and click next. And apply configuration. Click execute. And click finish. So product configuration once again. Click next and click finish. So the installation is complete. So our MySQL Shell has been launched together with our MySQL Workbench. Click local instance and type in your password. And click OK. And we have opened our MySQL Workbench. You can close. Let's set the path. Come to the File Explorer. Open the C drive. Click or open the program files and search for MySQL folder. Open it. Open the MySQL server. Open bin and copy this path. Can close. Come to the search bar and type environment. So edit the system environment variables, click open. Under the advanced option, environment variables, click environment variables. Under the system variables, double click path, click new, and paste the path that you have recently copied. Click OK, OK, and the last OK. And you can still verify the download and the installation that you have recently downloaded. Simply type cmd. Open the command prompt. And here we can type MySQL space -- version and press enter. And you can see that you have downloaded and installed the latest version 8.0.42. So that's how to download and install MySQL in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from MyPro Education.